Hi, welcome to Mr. Dyer's Musings. I'm Mr. Dyer, and I just wanted to take a moment and thank you for the incredible year that I've had. I'm not saying it was the best year of my life, but 2020 was kind of crazy for everybody. And you guys in this channel helped me in a very large way get through some of the struggles that I had. When I started this channel back in March and in April, it was a way for me to try to reconnect with others as a teacher because I was struggling going to a remote learning type atmosphere, and I wasn't getting a lot of people connection. I wasn't able to do what I love, which is teaching. So thank you so much for following me, watching my videos, hopefully getting something out of it, liking them, sharing them, supporting me any way that you've been able to. It's been a kind of a wild ride. Um, this channel was a goal of mine probably 4 or 5 years ago, but it wasn't until the pandemic that I had, I guess, the extra time and the extra motivation to finally get it off the ground and do it. And through the journey, um, I was able to learn a lot. And I've got a lot more that I want to do with this channel. We've been looking at a lot of artifacts, a lot of primary sources. I probably haven't read this much since I was in high school, which is pretty cool. You know, getting out there, checking out primary sources, checking out these artifacts, and sharing them with you has given me a sense of educational purpose, which is something that I really enjoy. And my family has been extremely supportive. Those of you who have shared my channel, have subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you for making my 2020 better. I wish you and yours an incredible 2021 and a happy new year. I know that we've got some ways to go, but as history has shown, humanity is able to persevere in ways and circumstances that can sometimes seem insurmountable. And we'll look to our past and we'll learn from it. Learn from the artifacts, we'll learn from primary sources, we'll learn from those who've come before us so that we can make a better future for ourselves and for those who come after us. God bless you. Have a wonderful new year, however it is that you're able to celebrate it. And I look forward to making more videos for you this next year. Give a kiss and hug to your loved ones, and take care.